A lot of volatility across eastern Colorado again this afternoon. We're not done with it yet. We've still got a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings and a flash flood warning for Colorado Springs. Everything you need to know after the break. This is News 5 at 5. Check this out, water rescues in Colorado Springs this afternoon. This was at Academy at half turn. Fire crews helped this driver get out of that flooded intersection. Colorado Springs Fire Department told us they responded to 2 other water rescues this afternoon. That's why we always tell you, when you can't see the bottom of that road, turn around. Don't drown. Big hail across not only Colorado Springs, but Canyon City as well. Jesse sent this from Orchard Park, the far north end of Canyon City. Just about golf ball size hail out across that area. Right now it's the calm after the storm. 70 is the current temp. Easterly breeze right now at 10 miles per hour. Live look in downtown Pueblo still at 85 degrees. Humidity up there. There is an easterly upslope breeze at 15 miles per hour. Do have that flash flood warning active until 6:45. Again, taking a while for that water to drain off across Colorado Springs due to that big storm. So again, high water certainly possible across parts of the city here for at least the next hour to an hour and a half. All the rain is history for now. Still could see some redevelopment later. Do have some severe thunderstorms to make you aware of. First one we're going to talk about is this one in Pueblo County, right around Pueblo West right now, headed off to the east-southeast at about 20 miles per hour. Look out for hailstones an inch in diameter in the Pueblo West area. If this thing holds together, Pueblo in the city, you may be dealing with some pretty large hail, nickel to maybe quarter size out of that thing if it holds together. Real good rain, beneficial rain coming down out of that, along with that dangerous cloud to ground lightning. Also severe thunderstorms out across the far eastern plains. Hail an inch to an inch in diameter out of those thunderstorms. Moving off to the east, and a lot of dangerous cloud to ground lightning with those thunderstorms. Also torrential rain. We'll probably see additional flash flood warnings issued for those areas. Here's a look at all the hail reports that fell across Colorado Springs earlier this afternoon. You can see across Colorado Springs, the city, downtown, some real big hail that stretched to the far north end of the city as well. Here in Rockrimmon at the studio, we only had hailstones about pea size across our area. Some of the biggest hail in the downtown area was tennis ball size hail. There's a lot of water for these thunderstorms to work with this afternoon. Anytime you have a lot of low level moisture and a good lifting mechanism, that's the recipe for rotating supercells, and we certainly got them in your forecast. Now tomorrow, not near as many thunderstorms, but there will be a few. We'll have just enough water in the atmosphere, enough daytime heat to bubble up some thunderstorms by mid to late afternoon up across the higher elevations, eventually moving across parts of El Paso County. I don't think everybody's going to be dealing with thunderstorms tomorrow, but up across close to the Palmer Divide could be rather intense tomorrow afternoon. Down south, strong and maybe even severe thunderstorms across portions of Los Animas County. Everything starts to shut down by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Again, this is where we forecast the strongest likelihood of seeing strong and severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Far southern Colorado down across the Raton Mesa. Take a look at overnight low temperatures. Nice and cool across the higher elevations, only in the 40s, 50s, and 60s here across the rest of southeastern Colorado for you. Finally Friday. If you're a cool weather fan, get out and soak it up tomorrow. This will be the coolest day we'll have around here for at least the next 7 days. Here you go, super 7-day forecast in Colorado Springs. We're going with a 30 to a 40% chance of seeing a thunderstorm roll across the city tomorrow afternoon. In Colorado Springs, only 80 tomorrow. A hot weekend. It really jumps quickly with that drier air pushing in by Sunday. 95 degrees with sunshine. Still hotter Monday into Tuesday. Little cool down mid to late week next week. More water in the atmosphere, so a little better chance of seeing a passing thunderstorm Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday for Pueblo. Afternoon highs pleasant tomorrow. Enjoy that while you can. A stray thunderstorm possible during the afternoon into the early evening. Then it's just plain old hot and dry from the weekend all the way through most of next week. The way it's looking right now, you're going to have to deal with those dreaded triple digits Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Canyon City, a nice day tomorrow. An isolated thunderstorm possible. Then it's hot and dry from the weekend into early next week. By midweek, a chance of thunderstorms once again. And for Woodland Park tomorrow, a thunderstorm during the afternoon. Nice pleasant day temperature wise. It's going to be hot even for that elevation from the weekend all the way into the middle part of next week. We'll